Tired of the hassle and cost of changing batteries for radiator thermostats? Especially in many rooms or hard-to-reach locations? Introducing WT102 LoRaWAN Smart Radiator Thermostat. It harvests energy from the temperature difference between radiator hot water and the surrounding environment, enabling long-term zero-maintenance performance. Its built-in temperature sensor and intelligent control algorithms allows smart temperature control, ensuring optimal comfort while minimizing energy consumption. Designed with a durable metal body, WT102 resists impacts and is ideal for high-traffic environments like schools. WT102 supports local and remote control with high-precision temperature settings. A high-definition LED display and a minimalist control panel ensure intuitive, user-friendly operation for anyone. WT102 allows for local scheduling with the capability to create up to 16 heating plans within one preset date period. Once configured, users won't need additional control. With LoRaWAN Class B communication, WT102 responds quickly and accurately to remote commands from IoT platforms. It also pairs seamlessly with the WT401 wireless smart thermostat, enabling wireless control of multiple devices within the same space. In open window conditions, which means when the temperature rapidly drops, this function prevents the valve from fully opening after temperature drops, thereby preventing energy wastage. Additionally, when indoor temperatures approach approximately 3 degrees Celsius, the valve will automatically open to maintain the ambient temperature above 3 degrees Celsius. This prevents issues like pipe bursting and damage to indoor assets. Milesight WT102 Smart Radiator, maintenance-free, long-lasting, and engineered to significantly reduce energy consumption. Available now. Contact us to learn more.